Welcome to Mastery Max Cheese Bites. Today we're going to learn the short vowels. We're going to practice saying them until we have mastered them. So take a look at our vowel ladder that we have here. And let's sing the vowels. There are long vowels and short vowels. A, E, I, O, U, vowels 5 are we. A, E, I, O, U, vowels 5 are we. Now the vowel sounds. A, E, I, A. Vowel sounds are we. A, E, I, A. Vowel sounds are we. Now let's say them as we go up and down the ladder. A, E, I, O, U. Again. A, E, I, O, U. And one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's do the short vowels. A, E, I, A. Second time. A, E, I, A. And 3 times. A, E, I, A. Now, let's mix them up. A, I, E, O, U. U, I, A, E, O. E, A, I, U, O. And practice that until you feel very comfortable doing it. Now let's do it the short. A, I, A, A. A, I, A, I, A. And sometimes if you want to say the I, if you just lift your shoulders up, sometimes you can say it a little easier. Let's try it again. A, I, A, A. A, A, A. I, A, A, A. And practice that until you can say it comfortably. Just practice it perhaps 3 times every day. And then, when you've mastered that, you can go on into our Key Sounds book and begin learning the key words that go with each of our vowel sounds. See you next time with Mastery Max Cheese Bites. Bye for now.